Hey guys, welcome to Wheel Swap Wednesday, and today we have a 32 Ford Coupe. We're going to do a little wheel swap on. We're going to try to do a quick, what I'll call a no drill. We will use a drill, but we're not going to drill these out and tap it. We're going to try to use some wheels. I think they're out of a green light tire package, I can't remember. They've been loose and I've had them for quite a long time, and that's what we're going to go with. What I want to do is put a little bit more meat in the back here, which is typical of these hot rods, and I want a little bit skinnier up front, so it's not much skinnier, but it's a little skinnier, so that's what we're going to go with. And we're not going to chrome these out right now, but we can always go back and chrome these out. So let's go ahead and get this apart. Let me show you what we can do if we was wanting just to do a basic wheel swap and not really drill and tap if you didn't want to. So this is just another method. That straight out. Now if you're having problems getting in here with cutters or whatever, you can always just chip and cut this wheel away. And I try to save my new wheels that way for future projects, or give them to people that do customs and stuff that might want them. You'd always cut around here and cut this wheel off, so that's another option for you. And let's go ahead and get this back side. So next thing we're going to do, I'm just going to take some calipers and we'll measure this out. So 3/64. I really would like to have something a little bit bigger, but go with the 3/64, and if we need a step up, we'll step up to make sure she rolls, guys, because these axles press in. So let's go ahead and do that. So next thing we'll do, we'll grab the drill. And there's a billion ways to swap wheels out, guys. It's just one more way to do it. You can line up and go through right here. And let's see if this is going to fit in there. Look at that, guys. They roll, they're a little tight. We could step up just a little if we wanted to. This is going to displace. I'm not going to mess with it, guys. It rolls free enough. Yeah, so we're not going to mess with that. Hopefully these axles are close enough to length. I eyeballed it. I think they're going to be just fine. I think these probably look a little bit better chromed out, but we're not going to do that today. I just kind of want to show y'all another method of doing a wheel swap on Wheel Swap Wednesday here. Let's go ahead and take this drill again. Try to hold it as straight as possible. Guys, if I get out of frame, I'm sorry. And guys, this is a super quick way that you can do a wheel swap. Change the way your car looks. And look at the meat on those rear tires right there. And that's typical for them sticking way out on these hot rods like that. So, steel rolls is not a great roller, but we could easily remedy that, guys. All we gotta do is either ream these out with the drill just a little bit more, or what we can do also is step up to another bit. I didn't have one between this size and the other size. This would actually work just fine. You know, guys, matter of fact, let's go ahead and just try it and see what difference it makes, and let's see if it's too much. It won't be the first time I mess something up, so we'll just go right back the same way, slow. And let's see how much of difference. Oh yeah, you know what, this would work perfect. So it's always good to start off a little bit smaller than what you need and then work your way up, because it's a whole lot harder to put material back than it is to take away. So that's rolling really good now. So let's go ahead and do the rear the same way, guys. We'll take a second here. So guys, if you don't have a tap, yes, you can still do a wheel swap. Of course, you can glue them in place going back as well. You don't have to have a tap. I like to tap mine. And I'll probably wind up drilling this out because I'm probably going to clear over this one anyway. But guys, I want to show you today, there is more than one way to skin a cat, and that's one of them there. So let's go ahead and put this back on the rotisserie, see the before and after. Let me know if you think we ought to chrome these out. We certainly might. But looking at it now, it doesn't look too bad like that. We could do some engine detail on that, detail this out, and shoot a little clear over it. And I think it'll look great with these wheels on it, without any modifications to it. Of course, we could get the Molotov chrome and chrome these out very, very easily. So y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Let's go ahead and get down the rotisserie. Okay guys, this is the after, and like I said, I want to show y'all how you can actually do a wheel swap without actually cracking open the casting. Very, very simple, very easy. So that's another method you guys can use. And look, we put these fatties in the back and the skinnies up front, and seen a lot of hot rod setup like that. I saw these wheels and I said, you know what, it'll look good on one of these coupes. Let's go ahead and try it out. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. This is something we actually might go ahead and chrome out those wheels. I think that actually give it a little bit better look to it. We still are going to wind up detailing this out and everything in another video, so y'all stay tuned for that. If you guys are subscribed, guys, thank you so much. If it's your first time being here with us, thanks for coming by today. I'd greatly appreciate you. Consider subscribing, and make sure you hit that like button. Make sure that you share, and if you would, hit that notification bell. That way you know when we're coming out with another episode, and I will catch you on the next episode. You guys have an awesome week. Thank you.